You make me wanna eat you. Every time I see you, it's like the first time I meet you. Fragrance like a flower, subtle and sweet too. Seductive and whatever, it might as well be see-through.
Yo, what's going on, you guys? My name is Owen and welcome to a new type of video on the channel, something that I've never done before, which is some style inspo, some outfit inspo, whatever you want to call it. Pretty much I put together 15 different outfits and recorded myself spinning around in circles for 8.5 minutes and figured I'd do a voiceover talking about some of the styling, talk about clothes, talk about life, and whatever else is in my notes app on my phone right now. So let's get right into it. Something that I noticed after watching back all of this footage is that when I put together an outfit, I usually incorporate some sort of asymmetry in the complete fit in some way. Sometimes with the accessories, like for this outfit, for example, which I thought looks better with this jacket. The hat has like a logo off to the side, and I've got my keychain, my pocket knife, and then even the jacket is asymmetrical. And this jacket is a sample SOMAR jacket, which is a reference of one of my favorite raft pieces, but we combined it with a motorcycle jacket, which is why it has that unique yoke and the little back buckle detail. Yeah, I've been wearing that a ton. It's in like a waxed denim. Even in this outfit, which is like really simple, there's like the slight asymmetry with the keychain. This one, I just wanted to go really simple, so there's no crazy layers or anything. It's perfect for summer. I'm just wearing a Uniqlo tank. It's an Aerism tank that I just cut to length because it's a little bit too long. And I paired it up with the G74s. And then pretty much the only types of pants I like to wear with these boots, which are the Greedy 20s, are like flared pants. I think like baggy pants and straight leg pants just don't do them justice. And then this outfit right here features one of my favorite pieces right now, which is this RAF consumed hoodie, which I've never seen in this like dark gray / black variation before. I picked it up from a friend of mine. I'll throw his Instagram on the screen right now. He's got some really cool pieces and he hooked it up. And then I paired it up with these really cool Acne jeans. These are the 1989s, which are just like extremely baggy. And then for like more of a skater look, I guess, just paired up with my little slip-ons. Been wearing those a ton recently. This outfit right here is accidentally very similar to the like main character in Watch Dogs. If you guys ever played that game, I never played it, but like, you know, I know about the game. Even down to like the laptop gives Watch Dog vibes. And yeah, speaking of games, something I've been doing a lot recently is like acquiring video game pieces, like merchandise from some of my favorite games when I was younger. So this one I'm wearing a Half-Life tee. Got a couple other pieces you'll see throughout this video. I'm curious what games you guys have been playing recently or what games you guys are excited about. Recently, I've been just playing a lot of Counter-Strike in preparation for Counter-Strike 2. And then for some single-player games, been doing Fallout 3, like a new Fallout 3 playthrough, because I haven't played that in a very long time. That was one of my favorite games on the original Xbox 360. And then also Bioshock 1. I got that remastered on PC, which has been a lot of fun. But for some games that I'm looking forward to coming out soon, Armored Core 6 and then Metal Gear Delta. I don't know when Delta comes out, but I'm really happy that they're like remaking a bunch of the classic games too. Even this outfit right here with the Left 4 Dead 1 hoodie, crazy piece. I have never seen this one before, and I've been looking too. I picked it up from my friend Rashawn, who is a super talented photographer. He helped me shoot the SOMAR lookbook that you'll be seeing on the Instagram right now if you go into the Instagram page. To be honest, I'd probably do this outfit a little bit differently in terms of like the accessories and stuff. Maybe a slightly different pair of pants too instead of the Rick Geth jeans. But overall, I like the fit. It's very casual, a little incognito. This one I love because it's a great example of like how to make a really simple outfit something a little bit more special, I guess. So it's just the tee, it's just the jeans and some shoes. The tee being the membrane tee. This is the gray one. And then for the accessories, I went a little OD because I wanted to like soup it up a little bit. So I got the pocket knife, my keychain, which has my Foon on it, and then also a pair of sunglasses because I usually wear my sunglasses either on my face or on my hat, but I wanted to mix it up a little bit. And yeah, let's see what else I have in my notes app right here. I just got back from a trip to Seattle, which was a lot of fun. We went up there for a festival, got to see a bunch of shows, a bunch of artists that I like. This is my second time going to Seattle, and I got to know the city a lot more this time because I didn't do any Ubering at all, just either walked or did public transit, which was really easy in Seattle. It's completely free too. You technically have to buy a ticket for the train, but you can just hop on and nobody checks. So that's been a lot of fun. I loved going to Seattle. I had some really great food there. For some other travel stuff, I'm going to be going to Japan in October, which I'm so excited about. I've never been to Japan before, and in preparation for that, I've been trying to learn Japanese on Duolingo. Been doing Duolingo for a little over a month now, and it's just sticking way more than like high school Spanish did. I don't know, high school Spanish did not stick with me at all. I did not enjoy it, but I'm really loving learning Japanese, and Duolingo just makes it really easy, and it's free too, so if you're looking to learn a language, I recommend that. This outfit I think is really sick because it's like a completely tonal fit. It's not something I would wear on like a normal basis at all, but I think it's a really cool outfit nonetheless. It's not really summer ready, but I think there's like variations you could do on this to make it like summer appropriate. I love that it's like primarily white, but there's hints of black throughout. So it's got like the black and white hat, black and white jacket, and then the all white G74s, which are so sick. Been wearing these a lot more than I thought I would. I was a little hesitant at first to make them in white because I wasn't sure if people would actually like them, but you guys have been going crazy for it. So those are gonna be coming out this Saturday, which I'm excited about. And then the last three outfits are pretty much summer appropriate outfits. They all have shorts in them. This one's just going real simple, but it's like the little subtle flair that you have to add to an outfit to make it something a little bit more special. So the shorts have the pins on it, and I've got my keychain on, hat, sunnies, and I usually like to wear boots in the summer, to be honest. Like boots with shorts for me are just like a classic combo. And then of course this one, no boots. I guess these shoes are like in between sneakers and boots. But here I'm just wearing one of my favorite shorts right now, which are the Rick Owens Spring Summer 2016 Cyclops shorts. These are so cool. I don't own anything like them, so they've been a lot of fun to wear. And they're extremely functional too because of all the pockets. And then this outfit is definitely the most like summer appropriate one. This is something that I wore almost shot for shot to the Huntington Gardens in LA. Extremely hot out. I think I had different shoes on, I can't remember, but yeah, I love these Rick shorts. And then the La Mer bag is just a daily. It's so good for the summer because it's not too heavy or anything, and it just stores like the light stuff you need for the day. And of course the classics, the SOMAR grunt boots on feet. But yeah, that's all the outfits. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.